this video, I'm going to show you how to start making around $15 every 15 minutes just by watching videos. Now, if this amount of money for 15 minutes doesn't sound like something that you will want to go for, if you're going to put into calculator, you can see you will be making $15 every 15 minutes, and because there are 4 15-minute segments in every hour, if you're going to multiply that by 4, you can see you will be making $60 per hour just by doing this method, which is completely free. Now, pretty much if you're going to follow this video from beginning to end, you will know exactly how to set this up, and because this method is set and forget, once you set this up, it will be making money for you on complete autopilot. But before I get into the method, I have a huge announcement to make. I'm launching my first one-on-one coaching program. So if you want to learn how to make over $5,000 per month with affiliate marketing without having to show your face anywhere on the internet, just go ahead and check out the first link in the video description, which will take you to a short introduction video. And if you're interested in joining, just follow the instructions in the video, and I hope to see you there. And now just quickly smash the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and let's get on with the method. Now, pretty much what you want to do to start is just simply go to Google and you want to look for exactly this website, twitch.tv. I believe many of you will already know what this website is all about, but for those of you who do not know, just go to twitch.tv, and as you can see right here, this is the biggest streaming platform out there. If you check out this website using similar web, you can see that it gets over 1 billion visitors every single month. That's literally 1,000 million people come to this website every single month, and most of them are coming from the United States. Then you've got some from Germany, Russia, Korea, and France, which most of these are top tier countries. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to tap into all of this free traffic, how to monetize it using one of the most creative ways that you have ever seen. So to pretty much start, you already may have a Twitch account, but if you don't have one, just go through the sign up process. Just go ahead and choose a username, your password, fill in the email address, you will receive a verification code, and once you verify your account using this email code, you can log right into it. And once you log into your account, you will get access to all of these streams and videos that are posted on Twitch from all of the famous games like Counter-Strike, GTA 5, Fortnite, or Dota 2. But one we are going to be focusing on in today's video is exactly this one right here, and it's called League of Legends, and it's probably one of the most famous games out there right now. As you can see right here, this game is very popular because it has over 35.7 million followers, so over 35 million people are enjoying the videos from this game. And as you can see, you've got all these streams going on right now, and all of these have real people watching them in real time. And today we are going to be harvesting this free traffic to make some money for ourselves. Now, pretty much what you want to do is go to this section and click on videos. And as you can see, you get all these videos from this game which are most viewed on Twitch. And check this out, the most viewed videos have over 1.2 million views. So literally over 1 million people have clicked on these videos to watch them. And actually, I don't know much about this game, I have never played it myself, but one thing I do know, it has one of the most dedicated fan bases out there. People who are watching League of Legends videos or actually play League of Legends are so dedicated to this game that most of them actually make a living just by playing it. Now today I'm not going to give you any tutorial how to start streaming League of Legends and make your living that way. What I'm going to show you is an easy side hustle that you can use to monetize these videos completely for free without infringing any laws at all. And in this process, you are actually going to be helping to the creators of this video to get more traffic, because we are going to be promoting these videos in a very special way. So pretty much to make money with these videos, what you want to do is go to this website right here that you may know from my other videos if you keep watching regularly. It's called cpagrip.com, and it's one of the best CPA networks out there. Now pretty much CPA means cost per action. So every time somebody is going to complete a small action on the internet, you will receive a small amount of money. And because these actions are so easy to complete, the more people you get to complete them, the more money you will make. So pretty much if you're new here, you may want to grab your free account just by clicking on register. Go ahead and fill in all this personal information as you would on any other site, and then pretty much in this publisher type, this is the only catch you will get with CPA Grip. In this publisher type, when registering, you need to select website/instant or GPT in order for your account to get approved instantly, and so you can start making money that much sooner. And pretty much in this where did you hear about that section, if you're going to be so kind, you can write there, I heard about CPA Grip on Andy Caddwell's YouTube channel. It will not cost you anything and it will do me a huge favor, so if you want to do that, I would greatly appreciate it. And then pretty much just tick off all 3 of these boxes and click on register now, and you will get your account. Once you get your account, just click on login, and once you log into your account, pretty much these are all the CPA offers that you can be promoting to make a small amount of money. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with CPA marketing without having to promote a single offer I'm going to show you how to promote multiple of them at the same time. Pretty much what you want to do is go to this toolbar and you want to go to monetization tools and click on URL/file lockers. Then just click on create a new content locker, and what you want to do is read these terms that you need to keep up in order for your account not to get disabled. Then just click on agree to terms of service and click on continue. What you want to do here is pretty much go to these templates and you want to select one that you like to use for this method, and I highly recommend that you choose this one, this CAPTCHA one, because everybody knows this template, and once they are going to see it, they will assume it's just a regular human verification check, and they are that much more likely to complete it. So pretty much just choose a template that you want to go with, and then you need to customize it a little bit more. So for example, in this tab section, I'm going to write something like, due to the large amount of bot traffic, human verification is required. Then this anchor text you want to also customize into something like, after completion you will be taken to video URL, something like that. Then pretty much what you want to do, and this is the important part, in this locked URL field, you want to paste a link to one of these top featured League of Legends videos. So for example, if you're going to open this video right here, what you can do is click on this share button and you want to copy this link to the video, then just go back to CPA grip and paste it in there just like that. So once somebody is going to complete this human verification CAPTCHA, they will be taken to the actual link with the video. Now this is pretty much everything you need to do to create a simple URL locker. Then just simply click on save, and right here you can see your URL locker with the Twitch video embedded gets created. Pretty much what you want to do now is just go ahead and create 2 more of these, and this is very important, and I'm going to show you why in exactly a couple of seconds, but you want to create 2 more of these. So I'm just simply going to click on clone right here. I'm going to confirm that I actually want to clone it indeed, and actually clone it 2 times, so we will have 3 URL lockers created, and then just go to the second one. You need to click on edit, and all you need to do right here is just change the link to this video to another video from Twitch TV. So I'm just going to go back there, open yet another video, for example this one. I'm going to click on share and copy its link, then go back to CPA grip, paste it in there instead of the previous link, just like that. Then click on save and do the exact same thing for this third URL locker. Just simply open it, grab yourself another video, for example let's go with this one right here. I'm just going to click on share and copy its link. I'm going to go back to CPA grip and change this link right here for the third video that I have created, and then just simply click on save. Now that you have created these 3 URL lockers embedded with different videos from Twitch TV containing League of Legends video, all you need to do now is just get the relevant traffic who are interested in watching these Twitch videos of League of Legends gameplay, and to do that I'm going to show you one of the most powerful traffic methods out there. Now I have created this Google document, this simple template Google document that I'm going to share with you guys. If you're going to go to the description, somewhere in the description you will get access to this exact template. So if you're going to be doing this method, you can just simply go ahead and copy this exact document to promote these links the very same way that I'm going to show you right now. I have created this very simple document with some text and some images that is going to act as a League of Legends review. Although I have never played this game before, I'm actually interested in what's happening out there in the gaming world, because back then when I had time to actually play video games, I used to be huge into many games. So actually creating something like this took me just a couple of minutes. I did some research and I wrote this short article, and all you need to do now to make money with it is just go to editing mode, and once you enter editing mode, what you want to do is just go to this section where it says check out the game video here, and you want to paste one of these URL lockers in there. Just pretty much click on get links, and what you want to do is just select a domain that you're comfortable with. For example, I'm going with, let's find something video game friendly. For example, playabledownloads.com should work very well. Then I'm just going to customize it, and I'm going to write in there something like League of Legends and some random number. Then I'm just going to copy this link and go to the document and paste it in there, so it's going to look something like this. And if you're going to notice, there are two more of these sections in this document. So for example, watch game footage. Here I'm just going to go back to CPA grip, go to the second URL locker, and also I'm going to change the domain to playable download and customize it, this time into LOL gameplay. For those of you who do not know, LOL in this case stands for League of Legends, not laughing out loud, so just don't get confused by that. And pretty much after you customize your link, just copy it, go back to the document, paste it in there, and what you want to do is go to the third part where it says watch demo match gameplay, and do the exact same thing for this third locker right here. Just click on get links. You want to select the domain playable download. Use the same domain for all of these if you possibly can. Then just customize it, and this time I'm going to name it something like record match and bunch of random numbers that are supposed to be a date and time of the match happening. Then I'm just going going to copy the link, paste it in there just like that. Now pretty much this is how it's going to look like once you finish customizing it, and it's going to be this short review of League of Legends with according images, and it's going to be embedded with the links to the Twitch TV videos, these Twitch TV videos, but they are content locked by CPA grip. And once somebody is going to click on this link who will want to watch the video, they will be taken to the CPA locker, and they will need to prove they are not a robot. They will need to finish this human verification. They will need to complete one of these offers because they actually want to watch the video. They will do it, and that's how you're going to get paid. Now pretty much if you want to use this exact same document, just go into the link in the description, copy it and use it as your own. I'm giving you all the rights to use this document. And if you want, you can just go ahead and create a document just like this from complete scratch. That decision is entirely upon you. Now, how to actually drive the most amount of relevant traffic to this document embedded with the URL lockers. What you want to do is just copy its URL, and what you want to do is just go to any gaming forum you can find. For example, this pcgamer.com website is what I used previously to test this out. You want to go to forum and you want to create a post related to League of Legends. So if you're going to go to search bar and look for League of Legends, you can see there are all these threads out here that are dealing with these games, and you can start posting link to this Google Doc in these answers on this forum, and pretty much you can do this for any gaming forum out there. You can go to Reddit, you can go to Quora, you can also go to Facebook, find some League of Legends groups and start posting in the comments there. Pretty much what you want to do is just get the most amount of relevant League of Legends interested traffic to this document. That way you're going to get clicks to your content locker, and one of the reasons why this is so powerful method is because once they're going to complete the content locker, they will actually be taken to these videos of League of Legends gameplay, and there's a huge chance they will start sharing this document themselves. All you need to do is just go ahead and make sure you embed it with your CPA links. You don't want to be promoting my links right here to make money. You need to just go to editing mode and change these links for your CPA grip links. And then once it's going to get out there, it will be making you money on complete autopilot. You can literally forget about this, and this will be making you money in the future, even if you forget you did something like this, because the document will be out there, and because it's embedded with your links, you will be the one getting paid. And that's pretty much it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this method, how to make money by watching videos. And if you did, just go ahead and put it to work yourself, make some money with it. And after you do, return to this video right here and do let me know down in the comments how much money you have made using this. Now, if you're interested in joining my one-on-one coaching program and you want to start making over $5,000 per month without showing your face anywhere on the internet with affiliate marketing, just go ahead and check the first link in the video description. It will take you to a video introduction. Then just go ahead and follow these instructions, and I hope to see you there.